Hello, glad to have you join us once again on the 3-day weather forecast. I am Paul Ugba. The sudden passage of the wave known as the Madden-Julian Oscillation or MJO wave over West Africa possibly explains the rains we've seen in the past couple of days over the central and southern parts of the country, coupled with rising temperatures and heat lows over the country. Based on these conditions, we therefore expect Friday afternoon and evening hours to remain sunny over the northern parts of the country and cloudy over the south, with possibilities of thunderstorms over the coastal areas extending further inland towards Enugu and Ogoja areas and also part of the southwest. The thunderstorms expected over the central parts of the country and part of Niger State are not expected to produce any significant rains. However, we expect thundery activities from these thunderstorms. Maximum temperature forecast on Friday is expected to be highest over Yola at 42 degrees Celsius during the day, while the lowest daytime temperature is expected over the southern parts of the country, where 31 degrees Celsius is expected and also 31 over Jos. During the night, we also expect rising temperatures over the north as we enter the hot season. And so over the north, we expect to see values in the range of 17 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius at night, while the southern parts of the country are expected to have lower nighttime temperatures. However, Lagos is expected to have the highest night temperature of 27 degrees Celsius in the south. For our air quality forecast, we expect moderate air quality index, which is likely to give us air quality that may not pose any threat to the health of persons living in all areas shown in yellow. However, the quality of air over Yenagoa is expected to be good without any implication on the health of persons living in Yenagoa. By Saturday morning, we also expect fine weather across most parts of the country, sunny to partly cloudy conditions over the north and central parts of the country. Cloudy as we move towards the inland cities, with possibilities of thunderstorms in places like Port Harcourt and Uyo. But by afternoon and evening, there are higher prospects for thunderstorms over the south and also in parts of Nasarawa State, while the northern parts of the country is expected to remain sunny and partly cloudy. Our maximum temperature forecast for Saturday is expected to range between 41 degrees Celsius over Damaturu and over Meduguri areas to values of about 42 degrees Celsius. We also expect to see values in the range of 31 degrees Celsius in the south to values of 33 degrees Celsius over Lagos and 35 over Ishain areas. Nighttime temperatures are also expected to be higher over the north than the southern parts of the country. Our air quality forecast on this day is also expected to be moderate across most parts of the country, shown in yellow, where the air quality is not expected to produce any significant threat to the health of persons living over these areas. However, over Benin, we expect to see air quality that is considered unhealthy for sensitive groups over this place. And for next day, which is Sunday, we expect the morning hours also to be fine across the country, as most parts are expected to be sunny and partly cloudy and cloudy over the coastal areas. But by afternoon of Sunday, we expect thunderstorms to affect the inland cities of the south, extending from Kogi State down towards Ibadan areas, and also places around Enugu Ikom, extending to Asaba areas in Delta State. Maximum temperature forecast on this day is expected to range between 39 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius during the day over the north. And in the south, we expect to see values in the range of 31 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius in the southwest. However, we expect Oka areas to experience maximum daytime temperature of 36 degrees Celsius during the day and 25 degrees nighttime temperatures over this place. This is where we'll round up the 3-day forecast. Thanks for watching and see you again.